Hello, my dear future leaders. Welcome to Future Leaders Academy, guys. So today's class, guys, we are going to discuss about the chemical reaction equation chapter, remaining concept or types of chemical reaction, guys. Okay. So in the previous class, we have discussed about some of the types of chemical reactions up to single displacement reaction. So today's class, guys, we will discuss about the double displacement reaction. So what exactly double displacement reactions is? Okay, now. So even in the class, guys, double displacement. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ವಿಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಲ್ಲಟ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ like rancidity and corrosion. So today's class, it's a very important class. So today we will end with the chapter that is chemical reaction equation chapter. After one, please note this. After the end of the class, again I am going to make a one short video of the every chapter. Okay, end of this chapter I am going to do a same chapter one short video. Okay, and one thing I would like to say that please share the video to your colleagues or else your friends. Okay, make sure the friends should be subscribe our channel so that they can get the notification of our every video. Okay, guys. So hope that you all are happy with the videos. Okay, let's start the session. Okay, now. So first of all, double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? Exchange of ions between two compounds. Just 1 minute, guys. Then I'll change the color of the pen. Okay, yeah, guys. So exchange of ions between two compounds. We have a two ions, that is positive and negative. So positive is called cation ion and negative is, sorry, 1 minute. I hope it's not visible to you all. That I'll write it side. Yes, guys. Here I'll write it. Positive is cation, negative is anion. Anion. Okay, not a anion, it's an anion. It's A. Anion and cation. There are two ions. So these charges will be exchanged in a reaction. Not these two. Only ion that's negative ion will be exchanged or positive ion will be exchanged. I'll make you understand. Okay now. So best example I'm giving you, that is with a ABCD format. Okay, you will understand. See, guys, here there is an exchange between the ions. For example, it's here D is exchanging. For example, A and B is a compound. AB is a compound. AB is a compound as whatever is given here above. Okay, AB is a compound. So it's reacting with the C and D. Reacting with C and D. Here we need to understand, that is exchange of gases, exchange of ions are taking place. Which kind of ions, whether positive or negative? Almost most of the time, just negative ions will be exchanged. Okay, now let's look at here, guys. So CD here, then it will give you, that is AD plus CB. AD plus CB. What I showed in the image. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ವೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಸೊ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಎ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಬಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Clear? It means that exchange of ions takes place. Okay, one of the example is here for about the reaction to understand. AgNO3. What is Ag? Ag means silver. Au means gold. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Yes, gold. Au means gold. Ag means silver. Silver. Na means sodium. Na means sodium. Hg means mercury. Mercury. Hg means mercury. Fe means iron. Fe means iron. Please, guys, Latin names of the words, so not words, atoms. You must know. Okay, now words are atoms, you can say. So words means Latin words we have derived. Latin words we have derived. Okay, so the atom is iron. Iron name is ferrum. Iron name is ferrum. Okay, sodium name is natrium. Sodium name is natrium. Gold name is aurum. Silver name is argentinium. Okay, like this. Mercury is hydrogen. Okay, these are the names of the Latin names or Greek names of the elements or atoms. Atoms. Okay now. So you have to know about these all the things. Clear? Just clear here. Now guys, silver is reacting with silver nitrate AgNO3. Why NO3? Because Ag has 3 plus. Okay, as one of the video I have uploaded like a valency. Please go through the valency video so that you can understand why this tries and 3 will be multiplied to each other. Okay na? So you will understand clearly. Okay na? So why NO3? Why NO3? Why SO4? Like this one of the video I have uploaded. Okay na? Uploaded. So you will understand. I think it's a displacement reaction also I had showed this. Why SO4 will SO4 it will be. Okay na? So next one. So here AgNO3 is reacting. AgNO3 is reacting with sodium chloride. AgNO3 silver nitrate is reacting with sodium chloride and forms the silver chloride plus sodium nitrate NaNO3. NaNO3. So this is what the exchange of ion takes place. As I said, AB is reacting with CD. It forms the AD plus CB. Okay, this is what the reaction as we have in the previous slide. Okay, hope it is clear, guys. And next is another best example here. Al2SO4 tries. Al2SO4 tries. Al2 means aluminum. It is aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate is reacting with the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. It is slaked lime. It's a slaked. Sorry, not a slaked. SLE. Slaked. Slaked lime. Slaked lime. CaO means quick lime. CaOH twice means slaked lime. Okay, calcium hydroxide. It's a base. Now, so then these two are reacting each other, then forms the aluminum hydroxide, then calcium sulfate will be formed. Calcium sulfate will be formed. So there is a exchange of ions will take place. The two examples I had given to make you understand regarding double displacement reaction. Okay now, clear. So next one, redox reaction. Redox reaction. In a redox reactions, guys, there is a oxidation is there, reduction is there, redox reaction is there. And make one thing, reducing agent and oxidizing agent, I will understand with the examples. Make you understand with the examples. Okay. So what is oxidation? Oxidation means gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Okay. Oxidation means oxygen will be taken in and hydrogen will be removed out. Okay. That is what oxidation. Or else we can say loss of E minus means electrons. Electrons. Loss of electron is the oxidation. Oxidation. Loss of electron is oxidation. And then reduction is, what is reduction? Reduction means H has been taken in and O is removed out, or gain of gain of electron. That is reduction. That is reduction. And next thing, what is redox reaction? Redox reaction is nothing but both oxidation and reduction takes place here it is given, takes place simultaneously means at a time in a one reaction only. For example, one reaction has been done, so same reaction there is a oxidation also and reduction also. It means that gain of oxygen and loss of hydrogen, and even gain of hydrogen and loss of oxygen, both will be taken place in the same one reaction only. So that is what we can say, that is a redox reaction. That reaction is the redox reaction. If there is no any gain of oxygen, only gain of hydrogen, is reduction reaction, and only oxygen has been gained in a reaction, that is what oxidation. Clear? So guys, please go to the what I can say notes. It will be a screenshot, you can take it up, this one screenshots. Okay, so that you can remember everything clearly, you can remember. Okay, take the screenshot of this flowchart. Next one, guys, hope you will understand. Next one is the example for the oxidation and reduction examples. Okay, what can be done? What is going on in a reaction? For example, guys, oxidized for see reducing agent and it's the oxidizing agent. As per the agents I have said now, so same example I tried to give you. What is exactly reducing agent and oxidizing agent? So this is the compound. This is the image it is. So next I had given some of the examples. By examples you will clearly understand what exactly oxidizing and reducing agent. Okay, 1 minute guys. Yeah. So compound A is loss of electrons. Compound A is loss of electron. Compound B is gain of electrons. Loss of electrons means what happened? It's reduced. Reduced down. Loss of electrons are reduced down. No. Oxidized. 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 ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಎ that is loss of electron will give you oxidation. Then this B is oxidizing agent. It made it to oxidize. And then next one is B has taken electrons from A to B. So that is what reduced. I said loss of E minus is oxidation and gain of electron is reduce or a reduction. Then don't forget guys. Okay now clear oxidation and reduction as I said. Now guys we will move to the most important concept of the chapter, that is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. I'll make you understand here. See guys, one of the best example, that is zinc oxide is reacting with the carbon. Okay, zinc oxide is reacting with the carbon and it forms the zinc plus carbon monoxide. Zinc plus carbon monoxide. So here what we have to understand, that is which one is reducing and which one is oxidizing. Everything is I have mentioned here. I know you will understand by reading. Okay, but I have to explain this now. Listen guys. Zinc is reduced to Zn and reduction it is. C is oxidized to CO. Oxidation. Okay, reduction and oxidation both are taken place simultaneously in a single reaction is for a redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox reaction example it is. Clear? So one thing you have to remember, Zn has a oxygen. Zn has oxygen with it. Okay, na? For example, you know very well. One agents about agent शादी, I mean marriage agents will be there. So agent का क्या काम क्या होता है? What is the work of the agent? Agent work is get just to search the girl and just to make a marriage of a boy. Boy is a one of the person and agent is a oxidizing agent. It means marriage agent. So girl is a please remember, agent has a girl. It means he is one of the metal and girl is the oxygen and another person is waiting for the oxygen. So agent will take the oxygen to particular person. I mean this agent will take the girl to a person and make him marry. Just they will get married. Then what happen? Agent will be removed out. It means himself he will move out. Okay now. So that is what oxidation or oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent का meaning क्या होता है? See, oxidizing agent means oxidizes other element and self self reduces oxidizes the other element and self reduces. What has been done here? Zinc oxide has oxidizes the carbon as a carbon monoxide and self reduced 1 minute. I'll make you understand. Yeah, zinc oxide has oxidized the carbon and self-reduced. Carbon has been oxidized with the carbon monoxide. Understand? Listen. Oxidizing agent is a zinc oxide and carbon is a reducing agent. So you have understood that oxidizing agent, then what is exactly for the reducing agent? Which is the reason for the Zn has to be reduced? The reason is because of the carbon. Carbon is committed with the oxygen, then made Zn has to reduce, which is helping the Zn to reduce from the oxygen. That is what reducing agent. That is what reducing. I hope it is clear, guys. Next, another example I'll give you to understand. Yes. Iron sulfate is reacting with copper sulfate. Sorry, it's not a sulfate. Sorry. It's a iron only. It's solid in state. Solid in state, and it's an aqueous state, and this is also aqueous state, and this is a solid. Okay, that I short FES. Okay, now so bracket is that. Don't forget. Don't make a mistake like me. What I have done right now. Clear? Now, guys, just look at the reaction. Iron is reacting with the copper sulfate. Copper sulfate के साथ reaction कर रही है. Which one? Iron. It means ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಐರನ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Blue color copper sulfate solution is turns into green color because of iron. Because of iron. Iron will react with the copper sulfate and forms the green color aqueous solution of ferrous sulfate. Okay, ferrous sulfate will be the green color solution. Next, so here guys, what happens? Iron is one, it doesn't have oxygen, it doesn't have oxygen, so that it is getting oxidized with the sulfate. So reducing agent definition I'll tell you. In the previous slide I said the definition of the oxidizing agent. Now just to understand, reduces the other element and self oxidized or self oxidized or oxidizes. ZES you can say, or SED you can say, self oxidized. Okay, this is the definition of reducing agent. Okay, now clear up here guys. In this reaction, Fe is a reducing agent, and Cu has been reduced, and CuSO4 is the oxidizing agent. CuSO4 is oxidizing agent, nothing but a Cu is the oxidizing agent. Cool. Just Cu is the oxidizing agent. So listen guys, Fe is reducing agent. Fe is reducing agent because Cu has reduced because of Fe. Because of Fe, so Fe is a reducing agent. And Fe has oxidized here because of copper. Because of copper. So that it is a oxidizing agent. Okay, so Cu is oxidizing agent, Fe is reducing agent. Hope it is clear guys. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Next question, next slide is about the exothermic and endothermic reaction. This is one of the most important concept in the chemical reaction equation chapter guys. Okay, so what exactly the concept? Listen, exothermic reaction in a chemical reaction the heat is released. In a chemical reaction heat is released ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ ಉಷ್ಣ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, there is a release of heat in a reaction. And endothermic reaction means in a chemical reaction the heat is absorbed. ಹೀಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಂಡೋಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೋಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಎಕ್ಸೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್, ಎಂಡೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. Okay, so now the image is here. So to understand one of the image, just heat is released out like this. Okay, from the reaction, from the setup, what you are observing now, from the conical flask, heat is released. It means that if the reaction is taken place, there is a test tube conical flask will getting heat. If you can sense it by your palm, by your finger, also by touching the conical flask or a test tube, you can understand. Okay, next, endothermic means heat is needed. We need to heat it for a reaction. If the reaction has to be done, so we must need to heat that particular compound or whatever you have the solution. Okay, next one, corrosion. Last concept of the chapter and last slide of the class. Okay, corrosion, slow destruction of the metals due to the reaction with the oxygen and moisture. Okay, ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಪರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಒ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲರ್. ಕಾಪರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ and corrosion of the silver, we can say that it is a blackish color or a gray color, we can say that. Okay, best example is for the corrosion is rusting of iron, that is brown color. Okay, corrosion. And next thing, rancidity. Rancidity means spoiling of a food due to the oxidation of a fat and oil. Guys, you might have observed that your chips packet, kurkure packet, okay, those will be turns filled with the gas, that is nitrogen gas, because to avoid the rancidity. Rancidity, you have observed, there is a spoiling of the food when it exposed to oxygen. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there is the spoiling of the food will take place. I mean, food will get spoiled. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಹಾರ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ರ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಟ ಉಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಷಾರಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕೊರಾಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ರ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಡಿಟಿ, ಕೊರಾಜನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಎಂಡೋಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ. ಆದ್ರೂ ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ is understood to everyone. Okay, so once again guys, I'll request you to share the videos to your colleagues or your friends, and subscribe the channel, like the video. Okay, and if you are feeling any doubt in the videos, or if you have any questions regarding the videos, so you can add in the comment section, so we will sort out it. Okay now, so thanks for watching the videos guys. We'll meet you in the next one shot video guys. Take care. Bye bye guys. Thank you.